So you want to know how to start a fire with charcoal and cotton.
You're also going to need
Tinder shavings, your pencil size, and your marker size. Have these ready to go. Some dollar store cotton pads. Got a bit of a bird's nest, charcoal, 2 dry wood blocks. You want to take your end cotton that you purchased from the dollar store, tear it in half. Usually pries apart pretty easy. Set it down on your block. Break off some charcoal. Place it on top of that cotton. And you're going to want to crush it up. Grab your other piece of cotton and then sandwich it in there. Sort of roll it up. And now sandwich that rolled up piece of cotton between your 2 wooden blocks. And then you're just going to want to roll it. There's your fire bugs.